Hello, welcome guys. How gonna to show you how to disable network show on taskbar window 10. So guys, very simple method. So guys, my new channel, please support, like, share, subscribe, comment, press the bell icon guys. So guys, let's start our video. So guys, two options, search and taskbar setting. So taskbar area. So click on taskbar setting. Taskbar setting. So scroll down, turn system icon on or off. So click on network. So guys, disable. So guys, it's very easy, simple method. Please like, share, subscribe. How to disable network show on taskbar window 10. Thank you for watching guys.